The DJI Goggles N3 have been fully leaked. We got all the images, the prices, the updated release date, and finally the complete spec sheet. I'll tell you everything you need to know about it in this video. Let's get into it. First of all, the design. We already seen it in the previous videos. It's pretty similar to the Goggles 5 II, since it's a bit larger than the Goggles 3. That's because it will feature a single 1080p LCD screen, split in two separate lenses. It will only be 60 Hz, unfortunately, with a 54-degree field of view. The larger design also allows room for glasses. The goggles also feature the battery on the headband to balance the weight, featuring 2.7 hours of operating time. There will also be an integrated fan, ensuring proper vision even in hot conditions. The transmission system is O4, meaning it will be compatible with both Avatar 2 and Neo, and ensuring a 13-kilometer range. However, the O3 air unit will not be compatible, and it's not sure if the regular O4 DJI drones also will. However, compared with the Goggles 3, the maximum frame rate will only be 60 FPS, with a minimum latency of 31 ms, while on the Goggles, 3 is 24 ms. I know it might seem a very small difference, but I can personally assure you that when you fly freestyle, you can absolutely feel a delay between your controls and what you see. The maximum bitrate of the video feed will still be 60 megabits per second. Just like on the Goggles 3, the AR cursor with the Motion 3 will be there, and you can also share your view by connecting them to the DJI Fly app. The DJI Goggles N3 will be priced at €269. It's a very good price, especially for a digital DJI goggle. It will also be sold in combo with the Neo at €529. That also means they weren't initially thought as an FPV goggle for experienced and freestyle pilots, but for more casual users, which will most likely only use them with the Neo, for which is more than enough. The release date is set for October 30th, so it's very soon. Make sure to subscribe for updates on all the DJI and drone leaks, and drop a like if this video was helpful.